Hey guys, it's Murray from Muzz IT here, coming to you guys from our new studio at our shop in Whangarei in New Zealand. Today we're going to be looking at some RGB LED color lighting strips from Deepcool. These are a remote controlled set designed specifically for PC. It comes with two lighting strips, really good things. These are awesome to play with, so let's get it out and have a look. Okay, so set out on the table here I have the contents of what comes in the box. You get two of the 30 centimeter long RGB LED lighting strips with 3M adhesive on the back. Now these, I didn't realize when I got them, these are the gel covered waterproof ones with black circuitry, which is really cool. And yeah, you do get two of those. You get a extension cable to plug one of them in. If you want it further away from the controller. You get the controller with two separate outputs, as well as the infrared remote receiver. You get the power cable and of course the remote. So let's hook these up. I have a power supply here ready to go so that we can have a little play around. Now when hooking them up, they have a little arrow on the plug on both ends, so it's easy to match them up correctly. Oh, there we go, see? Ta-da! They are actually, as you can see, rather bright. Okay, let's have a look at some colours. We have red, green, it's quite a nice green actually, blue, white. As you can see from the remote, there's quite a few colours available there. You can also do different settings. You can adjust the speed generally at which they flash. You can adjust the brightness level, so we go green, brightness down. You can turn them on and off, obviously. So they are pretty cool. Now these particular ones we've got here are for this behemoth machine we have here, so we'll put them in and then we'll have a play around and show you guys what they look like once the lights are in there. Be back soon. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to mash those like and dislike buttons. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can hit us up on Twitter at muzz_IT, or on Facebook, facebook.com/muzzit. Please remember to subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.